The universe is not only stranger than we imagine, it is stranger than we can imagine. We live in a universe of light and shadow, a place where stars are born, burn, and die. And yet, somewhere out there, lies a force so powerful, so absolute, that even light cannot escape. Now imagine this. You're floating in the silent ocean of space. Ahead of you, not a star, not a planet, but darkness. Not the kind of darkness you know. Not the absence of light, but the devouring of it. A black hole. You try to look away, but your eyes stay fixed. It's pulling you, not just your body, but your mind. Every instinct tells you to run, yet a deeper part of you whispers, what if I didn't? What would happen? If you fell into a black hole, would you be crushed? Would time stop? Would you see the edge of reality itself? Welcome to Life Lab, where curiosity meets science, and where we explore the mysteries that shape our universe and our minds. Today, we're falling straight into one of nature's most terrifying and fascinating creations, the black hole. A place where gravity wins, where time unravels, and where the universe hides its deepest secrets. Let's begin the fall. A black hole isn't really a hole at all. It's a place where matter has collapsed under its own gravity, crushed into a single point of infinite density, called a singularity. Around that point lies an invisible boundary, the event horizon. Cross it, and nothing can come back. Not even light. Einstein predicted their existence in 1915 with his theory of general relativity, but even he wasn't sure they could truly exist. Then, in 1971, astronomers discovered Cygnus X-1, the first real black hole. The impossible had become reality. And now we know they're everywhere. Some no bigger than a city. Others, like the one at the center of our Milky Way, millions of times heavier than the sun. So what would happen if you drifted too close? At first, nothing. You'd float closer, feeling only a gentle pull. But gravity is deceptive. It grows exponentially stronger the nearer you go. Your head feels more pull than your feet. That difference stretches your body, a process scientists call spaghettification. If you fell into a small black hole, you'd be torn apart long before you reached the center. But if you fell into a supermassive one, like Sagittarius A*, the experience would be eerily calm. You could cross the event horizon without even realizing it. No pain. No warning. Just quiet. To you, time would seem normal. But to someone watching from far away, you'd appear to slow down. Slower. And slower. Until you froze, suspended forever at the edge. Because as Einstein showed, gravity bends time itself. The deeper you fall, the slower your time flows. 1 minute for you could be centuries for the universe. From their perspective, you never cross. From yours, you already have. Inside, all directions lead to one place, the singularity. The center. The point where space and time collapse into a single, unknowable truth. According to Einstein's equations, you'd be crushed into infinite density. But quantum mechanics, the law of the small, refuses to accept that. Stephen Hawking changed everything in 1974 when he discovered that black holes aren't completely black. They leak faint radiation, now known as Hawking radiation. That means black holes can evaporate. Slowly, silently, over trillions of years. But if they evaporate, what happens to the information they consume? Is it lost forever? Or somehow preserved? That's the black hole information paradox, a riddle that still baffles the brightest minds. Some, like Leonard Susskind, believe all information is stored on the event horizon itself, imprinted like a hologram of everything that's ever fallen in. Others think it may reappear through quantum entanglement, the strange connection between particles across space and time. Maybe when you fall in, you aren't destroyed. Maybe you're rewritten, transformed into something new, something the universe understands but we do not. Before your final moment, you'd witness one last miracle. As light bends around you, you'd see the universe distorted into a glowing ring, the photon sphere. Light itself orbiting the black hole. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first image of this glowing ring around the black hole in galaxy M87. It took 8 telescopes, spread across 5 continents, to photograph what cannot be seen. If you were there, it would be the most breathtaking sight imaginable. Stars smeared into streaks of color. The universe wrapped into a single, trembling circle of light. Then, as you descend, everything fades. The glow dissolves. Time stretches to infinity. And then, silence. No sound. No color. No space. No time. Only the endless stillness of what lies beyond knowing. But here's the thing. You don't need to fall into a black hole to learn from it. The universe's most extreme object teaches us something profound about life itself. From one point of view, you're frozen. From another, you've already crossed the horizon. Both are true. And that's how life works too. Sometimes you feel stuck, trapped in one place, unable to move forward. But from another perspective, invisible to you, you're already changing. Already moving toward your next chapter. The fall isn't the end. It's part of becoming. So when you face your own black holes, your fears, your failures, your unknowns, remember, even in the deepest darkness, something still shines. Even when you can't see the light, you're still in motion. Because falling doesn't always mean losing. Sometimes, it's the only way to reach what's beyond. So now you know what happens when you fall into a black hole. And why, even in the heart of darkness, the universe still whispers in light. But here's the question. If you could safely fall into one, just to see what lies beyond the event horizon, would you take the leap? Let me know in the comments. Would you risk the fall just to see the truth? And if you love exploring the strange, the beautiful, and the mind-bending, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Because here on LifeLab, curiosity is our greatest experiment. In the end, we're all explorers. Each question we ask is a step deeper into the unknown. Each answer we find, a new star in the darkness. So keep asking, keep wondering, keep falling. Because somewhere between gravity and grace, between the seen and unseen, lies the place where curiosity becomes truth, and truth becomes wonder.